Have you ever wondered how a simple spice like cloves can transform your life and attract abundance? Today, we delve deeply into this intriguing topic through the enlightening perspective of Buddhist teachings, unveiling how placing 3 cloves in specific spots can invite wealth, health, and prosperity into your life with remarkable ease and significance. This ancient practice is more than a ritual. It's a pathway to understanding the profound connection between energy and intention. Welcome to Samurai Wisdom, your ultimate destination for exploring profound teachings from Buddhism and uncovering how they can seamlessly enrich and transform our daily lives. In this space, we merge ancient wisdom with practical application, creating a harmonious blend that resonates with both the spiritual seeker and the curious learner. Here, each topic is a step on the journey toward enlightenment and abundance, using simple yet powerful tools to unlock the potential within us all. If you're new here, don't miss out. Hit subscribe and activate the notification bell to ensure you're always tuned in to our latest and most profound insights. In Buddhism, the concept of interconnectedness permeates every aspect of our existence. This ancient philosophy teaches us that the energy we cultivate internally has a ripple effect on the external world around us. By understanding and learning to harness this energy, we can foster a life imbued with not only abundance and wealth, but also enduring positivity and fulfillment. Consider the analogy of tuning a radio. When you're precisely on the correct frequency, the music comes alive, clear, and uninterrupted. Similarly, aligning your internal energy with the vibration of abundance attracts prosperity and wealth effortlessly into your life. This idea mirrors the principles of the law of attraction, which emphasizes the power of harmonizing thoughts, emotions, and actions with the energy of abundance to manifest it seamlessly in your reality. However, our journey to alignment often encounters barriers in the form of negative emotions like fear, self-doubt, envy, or resentment. These feelings can act like static, disrupting the clear transmission of abundance frequencies. Cultivating a habit of positivity and gratitude serves as a critical counterbalance, enabling us to tune into the higher vibrations of prosperity. Incorporating daily practices such as mindful breathing exercises, detailed gratitude journaling, and empowering affirmations can significantly help sustain this optimal state, inviting wealth, opportunities, and success into our lives. Mindfulness as a tool for abundance. Mindfulness lies at the heart of Buddhist philosophy, serving as a bridge between thought and action. When practiced regularly, mindfulness enables us to become fully aware of our intentions and the energy we emit. By grounding ourselves in the present moment, we create a foundation for cultivating positivity and gratitude, which are essential for attracting abundance. Simple mindfulness practices such as walking meditation, focusing on the breath, or observing nature can profoundly shift our mindset, aligning us with the frequencies of prosperity and well-being. Rituals to attract wealth and prosperity. Ritual 1. Planting cloves for protection and prosperity. Materials needed: 3 aromatic cloves and a robust snake plant, popularly known as mother-in-law's tongue. Steps: insert the 3 cloves carefully into the soil of the snake plant, ensuring they are buried and secure. This should be done with calm intention. Significance: position this plant prominently at the entrance of your home or workplace to act as a protective barrier, channeling vibrant, positive energy inward while simultaneously guarding against negativity. Planting cloves in a symbolic location reinforces the flow of prosperity and creates a harmonious space. This practice connects your intentions with the universal energy of abundance, ensuring that your home or office becomes a sanctuary of growth and protection. Ritual 2. Materials needed: a trio of whole cloves. Steps: strategically place the cloves within your money storage area, such as a safe, wallet, or designated drawer. As each clove is placed, affirm with conviction, "I am abundant, my wealth is secure, and prosperity flows into my life endlessly." Enhancing the ritual. Consider pairing this practice with a visualization exercise, imagining your financial resources growing exponentially. This mental alignment amplifies the effectiveness of the ritual, ensuring your financial stability and growth. Ritual 3. Materials needed: a bright red cloth pouch, 3 potent cloves, and either a coin or a banknote of personal significance. Steps: enclose the cloves and the monetary token within the bag, tying it securely. Carry this charm in your purse or wallet daily as a physical embodiment of your intention to attract wealth. Symbolism: this talisman serves not only as a magnet for wealth, but also as a tangible reminder of the positive energies you are cultivating and directing. By keeping the charm close, you reinforce your commitment to abundance. It acts as a beacon for opportunities and a protective amulet, shielding you from negative influences that might hinder your financial or spiritual growth. Ritual 4. Materials needed: a transparent glass vessel, clean water, and 3 cloves. Steps: gently drop the cloves into the water while vocalizing these affirmations. "I am money." First clove. "I am love." Second clove. "And I am health." Third clove. Place this energized glass at the entrance of your space to invite and maintain a balanced environment filled with prosperity, health, and love. The water ritual symbolizes the fluidity and flow of abundance, connecting you to the essential elements of life. The affirmations imbue the water with intention, creating a powerful tool for enhancing your environment and personal energy. Integrating Buddhist teachings into daily life. Buddhist teachings emphasize the importance of balance, gratitude, and intentional living. By incorporating these principles into your daily life, you create a foundation for lasting prosperity and fulfillment. The role of gratitude. Gratitude is a cornerstone of abundance. By focusing on the blessings in your life, you shift your mindset from scarcity to sufficiency. Daily gratitude journaling can help reinforce this practice, enabling you to attract more positive experiences. The practice of generosity. Generosity, known as dana in Buddhism, is another vital component of an abundant life. Sharing your resources, whether material, emotional, or spiritual, creates positive karma and strengthens your connection to the universal flow of prosperity. Staying grounded through mindfulness. Mindfulness ensures that you remain present and intentional in your pursuit of abundance. By practicing mindfulness in your actions, thoughts, and rituals, you align yourself with the natural rhythms of the universe, allowing abundance to flow freely into your life. Conclusion. As we conclude this journey, reflect on the transformative power of these ancient practices. Whether it's planting cloves for protection, creating an abundance charm, or practicing gratitude, each step is an opportunity to align with the energy of prosperity and mindfulness. By embracing these rituals and integrating Buddhist teachings into your daily routine, you not only attract wealth, but also cultivate a life of balance, harmony, and spiritual fulfillment. Thank you for joining us on this path of discovery and empowerment. Remember, the energy of abundance is always within reach, waiting to be harnessed with intention and mindfulness. Stay tuned to Samurai Wisdom for more insights, and may your journey be filled with prosperity.